Kelsford. So we have mature desert landscaping in the front yard, which is always a plus. This is an open door property, so generally they look pretty good. So we'd want to remove the deadbolt and possibly paint the front door. We need blinds on pretty much all the windows. Carpet looks good. One, two, three. So 3 blinds. That's 4. The cabinets don't look that good. It looks like they may need to be painted again. So once you start painting it, you're always going to have to paint it. And it's not necessarily a bad thing, it's just something that needs to be done for the maintenance. It looks like there is already granite installed, so we may not be able to do an undermount sink, but it depends on the measurements. But we do need a gooseneck. And we have a space-saver microwave, which is probably important in such a small space. And these are French doors with plantation shutters, and this would be possibly the eat-in area, or dining room, since it's tiled. So we have tile in this add-on as well. We would make sure that it is permitted. I would think it would be, since it's an open door property, but we would have to find out. Lots and lots of space. And it's usable space because it's paved. We might need to add some rock back here, but it's a somewhat private yard. I mean, this patio overhang provides some privacy from the second-story neighbor, and then we have a 1-story directly behind us, and that 2-story isn't really facing us. So it's kind of nice to have that. And I don't know if we would need blinds on this addition. I don't know if the lighting has been wired correctly or not, but I don't think we would need blinds because it's clearly separate. So I'm not going to include the blinds in my estimate, but that's the property manager's decision. Also, we do have spray on the lights. These cabinets look pretty good. Carpets look good. So we have closet rods, carpet looks good, no light kit, and it's kind of an older, small, cheap looking fan, but if we could keep it for now, we would. Maybe caulking, just to freshen it up a bit. So we have another, closet here. So we do have an older style faucet and brass light fixture. So I'm going to go ahead and put a light fixture down just so they match. No, I won't put it down. We'll let the property manager make that decision. So we do have the correct 2.5-inch forward blinds in here. It's the first ones that I've seen. Paint is white. No light kit in here. We do have a smoke detector, but we do have vinyl blinds, which would need to be corrected. We have a closet rod, mirrored closet panels. Overall, the paint looks pretty good, pretty standard for an open door property. It's an older looking shower rod. I'm not going to put anything down for now just because it is there, so not my decision. So laundry room. To rekey that. There was only the door handle, there was no deadbolt. So that's one door in the garage, one door here, no key here. Okay.